Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's Theresa here, and today I wanted to pop on and say hello, and I wanted to kick off October Daily 2022. And so this is my second year participating in this project, and first and foremost, I just want to say thank you so much. You all have been so receptive and supportive and encouraging about my 2021 album, and I'm having so much fun pulling that album together and sharing it with you all. And you have all been so kind and have left me the loveliest comments, and I just want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for being here, and it's exciting to launch another October Daily project and to participate in this community project again. So if you're new here, I'm Theresa Moxley. I've been sharing my crafty work here, my scrapbook layouts on this channel for about 8 years now. And so it is beginning to look a lot like fall and a lot like October. It's right around the corner. So what I want to do today is just introduce you to October Daily 2022 and also share with you the foundation pages that I have already created in the album and in anticipation of October. And then I'll also let you know a little about what my plans are for the month of October, so you know what to expect and when you can see content from me. And most importantly, I just want you to know that I could not do this without you. And so you are so important to me. If you have any questions at all, if there's anything that you want to talk about, any questions you have, any specific tool or technique or tip that you want to learn more about, let me know, and I would love to make a video for you. And it's all in the spirit of inspiring creativity for you. And so one of the main reasons why I share my work online is, one, to give back to the community. I've learned so much here and have I've been a part of the online scrapbooking community since about 2003, and I've learned so much from all of you. And so I want to participate in that conversation as well and give back. And I also want to inspire you just to create. And so any of the ideas that I share them as a community response, but I also share them as inspiration for you to take and create your own layouts and create your own albums. And that's all that matters to me. I hope that you enjoy the content that I'm putting out. And again, I would love to hear, what are you interested in? What do you want to see more of? I would love to create videos that you want to see. So right now, October Daily, and I'm going to jump right in. I'm just going to tell you a little bit about the album that I chose. I am going to absolutely blame Janet and Josie for this. They turned me on to Cardinal Planners, and so this is where this binder came from. And of course, I'll have links to these products below. They make these gorgeous albums. They're planners, binders, traveler's notebooks, and just gorgeous. They're made just for you. And then I also found a little charm here, and this is from a little Etsy shop. I added the little tassel, but the charm itself is from an Etsy shop, and it's called Pine and Peony Studio. And of course, I'll link her below. Fantastic sources for scrapbooking products, and I'm so thrilled to recommend them to you. I'm not affiliated with them in any way, just love sharing wonderful experiences with small businesses. And so that's my album. I'm going to pretty much continue the way that I've been working on October Daily 2021. And so throughout the month of September, I shared layouts on Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday on my YouTube channel. And then on Fridays, I did a wrap-up blog post on my blog. And so I plan to continue doing that just with October Daily 2022. It's been a great rhythm for me, and I've enjoyed that pace. It's kept me excited about the project. It's given me time to think about what I wanted to do next and what was the next story that I was going to create in that album. And so I'll probably start on October 4th. I've got a busy weekend this weekend with all of the, so much good stuff that's going on here. So starting on the 4th is probably going to be the best for me. I'll share day 1 on that day, and then Wednesday or Thursday and Friday, share days 2 and 3, and keep going that way. If I can, I'd like to try to do a layout on Wednesdays as well. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. But I don't know yet just how the pace is going to go for that. But you will be able to see at least 2 to 3 layouts on my YouTube channel each week for this project. And that puts me about halfway done by the end of the month. And then I will roll on into December Daily for November and December. So lots of amazing content coming up. The next few months are some of the most exciting, I think, in our crafty little world here. And I love sharing here and love getting to know you. And I love creating these projects. They're just so much fun to look at over the years, and help me to stay focused on what are some of the best things in life. And so that's pretty much all I have to say. I'm gonna turn the camera around so that I can show you these foundation pages. You'll also be able to see a roundup post on my blog where you can view all the still photos for the foundation pages, and you can pin those from my blog as well. And so I'll have links for that down below. Thanks, and I'll see you on the flip side. Okay, so I'll give you a better look at the album itself. Again, this is from Cardinal Planners. I've got a little bit of glitter on there. That's what that is. I've been playing in the glitter. But they are on Instagram, and so I will share the link with their shop. Highly recommend them. Super fast shipment, excellent quality. This is a beautiful, beautiful stitching, and just a wonderful little album. And so opening it up, there are some pockets here on the inside, a 6-ring binder, and there's also a pocket in the back. And then I've added some just regular page protectors. These are probably from Ali Edwards. And then I've also got, of course, the foundation pages that I've been working on as part of some of the design teams that I'm on. And so that's what I wanted to show you today. I also I made a little something for you. And so I needed a calendar for my October Daily, and I couldn't really find one that I liked. So I went into Canva and made this, and I will create a download link for you so that you can use it yourself if you like. And it's just the Sunday to Saturday October calendar with the Anne of Green Gables quote and a little spooky scene behind it. just a little something for you. I have not punched this yet because I don't know which side of the album it's going to go on just yet. I don't know how I'm going to do my intro into the album. I'll figure that out on October 1. So a couple of projects for the Tracy Reed creative team. This was done using October Mood, and so it's my inspiration for this was like a letter board using the quote, "Autumn is sweater weather, crunchy leaves, and pumpkin everything." And then moving forward for the, I can't wait for Hocus Pocus 2 to be released. And so that's a specific story that I already know I want to include in this album. So I took a digital stamp from the Tracy Reed Hocus Pocus collection and created this little shaker pocket and attached it to a printed transparency, and then of course the poster for the movie. This was just taken from the Facebook, the Netflix Facebook, or I'm sorry, the Disney Facebook account, and just printed out because that had to be included. And then another layout using October Mood, and I had an idea of just doing 12 on 12, and so 12 of the little things that I decide to put on the layout can go in these 12 circles. And they're all just, these are part of the digital kit, and I just printed them out on vellum. Then this was a sketch that we did for the Tracy Reed creative team. And so the plan is add the photo here, add a little bit of journaling here, and add the day number, and then this day will be complete. I did purchase a couple of products from the Heidi Swap Halloween release this year, and so I went ahead and just punched one of the large tags and put that in, and then I also took these little vellum ghosts. I just attached those to a 4x8 Traveler's Notebook page protector. They're adhered with red line tape on the outside of the page protector, and then I can just add my photo or journaling card or whatever comes to me when I get to that day. Then let's see, this is the brand new Goldenrod collection, and so a couple of things. I chose a 3x8 page protector here and slid this in and added the little punch circle and a little spider. There's a little spider dangling on the thing there. And then a couple of little stars over here, and then I created this little sequin pocket here, and there's a little spider friend in there. The little spiders were from Target. They were from the Target dollar spot. And so of course a spot for my photo here, 3x8 photo, and a spot for my journaling there. And then the final page is for Celine Studio. And so I took some of the circle elements from the Project Mouse Halloween kit and cut those with the silhouette and paired them with the little ghost, a couple of wood pieces from Color Cast Designs. This is a vinyl piece from Studio Calico. And then I also used the little Studio Calico punch, the little insert punch, to create the insert itself. And so that's taken from pattern paper from that collection. And then that's the back side of it. And so I just kind of repeated most of the things. The spider web again, a different little pleather or vinyl patch here, and a little wood bit from Color Cast Designs. And so that's really all that I have for this album right now. I plan to use most of the products that I used last year, just continuing with that. Another reminder too, just to look around as you're shopping. Look for little paper products, muffin liners, cupcake picks, games. Like Target has those little paper games. I don't know, this year they had, I just had this sitting over here, it had a little bingo game. So pick that up, and I'll probably put one of those in there. Just any kind of little paper products that you see around can be fun to add. And so again, I just want to say thank you so much for watching, for supporting my channel, and I hope that you have a wonderful month of October. Happy Halloween, happy fall, y'all. I'll see you around here soon. Bye-bye.